The position and appearance of the dock in Mac operating system can be changed very quickly. Place your mouse cursor on the vertical line in the dock. Drag up or down to change the size. Hold the Shift key and drag that same vertical line to move the dock either to the left or the right side of the screen, or you can move it back to the bottom. Right-click on that line and choose Turn Hiding On. The dock disappears and it will reappear when you place the mouse cursor on the edge of the screen where the dock is parked. Right-click on the line again and turn Magnification on. Then it will magnify each icon as you point at them. For more manual configuration options, choose Dock Preferences. You can adjust the size and location of the dock, and even the amount of the magnification effect.